Starting a business with a website can be a great way to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. Having a website is important for a business, especially in today's digital age. A website can serve as a central hub for your business's online presence and can help you connect with potential customers in various ways. In this video, I will show you how to hire a web developer from Naisaa.com to start your online business today. So, first go to Naisaa.com. Then click the web development category. Then, open the service, create a responsive website for your business or company. As you can see, here you will get 3 different packages: low, medium, and high. For $100 you will get a 1-page website. For $200 you will get a 5-pages website. And for $400 you will get a 10-pages professional website. From here you can place your order. Before placing your order you have to create a new account. So, click on sign up. Now, after creating an account, select a package which you prefer. Select your payment method to pay the bill. So, finally, we've successfully placed our order. From here they will contact you and ask what you need to provide before starting the work. Thank you so much for watching this video.